everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Planning with Donna, and today I am experimenting, okay? What I'm doing is I'm taking my old last year's 18-month vertical big happy planner, and I'm combining it with my new vertical big happy planner. Yes, that's two big vertical happy planners in one. And making a Franken Planning transformer planner with bigger discs. Now, here's my thing. Once these get decorated, they're probably going to be a hot mess. In other words, they're probably going to be ginormous. Now, I don't know if you all have ever seen discs this big, but in the event... You're going to flip when you see these. In the event that you ever need discs that are bigger than these 2-inch, you can get these 3-inch discs. So I have these as backup if my planner gets too fat. Okay? And then I'm going to show you guys how to put... If you don't like the disc that comes on your planner, we're going to put the purple metal discs on this planner just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. So I'll show you guys how to do that. I'm sure you probably already know, but for you newbies out there that might be new to my channel and you're just getting started and you don't have a clue what to do, hang on to your britches because here we go. Okay. Now, what I did was I like this part of the planner because to me it's neutral. This is actually the back. This is the back. This is the inside back. And I'm going to clean this off really good, okay? I like to take the last month and I like to put it in the front, okay? Now this is the one I am currently using. So, and if you like any of these that you see, just, you know, holler at me. They're on my planner list. They're on all my videos. So let's scoot this over. All right, let's get y'all situated in frame so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. So I've already taken the old planner off the discs, obviously. So the easiest way to do this is to take your disc and go ahead and pop it on one side, okay? Get it started. You can buy the little tray. A lot of these kits on Happy Planner come with the little tray that this lays down in. You can do it just as easy. Is there something? There. And you can do it just as easy this way. So, without buying anything. You don't have to buy stuff to be a Happy Planner, or a planner period, or any kind of a planner girl. You don't have to buy all this stuff. Okay, so here's our front, okay? So, then, I put a divider in between here, which is another, this is the old planner that is still through December of next year, okay? I took the divider for the new one and put it in the middle. You see that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here, over here out of the way, the new planner over here out of the way, and I'm going to go ahead, and I did a thing. This is super sturdy. I took, because I wanted this side to match the front, and because I wanted it the way I wanted it, which should show you one of two things. You can do it whatever way you want. You can do a completely different planner cover. You can make your own. You can take one that's old and use it if it's a favorite design. And I'm just trying to keep it super, for now, neutral. And until I learn how, see there? Until I learn how to actually use my laminator, which I'm sure it is not rocket science. Yes, I'm OCD. I'm turning all my hearts the right way. And they're not going to stay that way. I know that. I have pulled this scrapbook paper out of one of my scrapbook paper books from Recollections. And this will be my front because I want to keep it neutral, and I'm going to put, you know, Planning with Donna on here. I'm going to customize this part. This will be my back cover, okay? And then I'll have dividers in between, and I'll have a tutorial on how to do your own planner cover, your dividers, and all the bells and whistles. So with that being said, let's go ahead. I'm going to flip this over. Actually, this is going to go in between, and we're going to start with the back, okay? And I like to try to do 1 month at a time because I just think that it's easier to just pop in 1 month at a time. Okay, that was an ordeal. All right, and as you can see, I had a little bit of trouble, but like I said, I've only done this like one other time. But once it's done, it's done. And if these, like I said, if these get too small, and I'm sure that they will, because this is going to be quite the jumbo planner. I mean, you can see how thick it's going to be. So if we tip it up like this, you're going to have some serious disc usage here. And I don't even know if it'll work. I just bought those on a whim. So with that being said, you know, don't take my word for it, you know. So like I said, this is one, and then you have this divider, and here is your other one. So they're separated. So it's easy for you to manage whatever it is you're going to do. And my whole inspiration behind the whole thing was this little tag that needs a little trim. Let's see. It's got a little bit of, there we go. And I just wanted, wanted to be able to just use this and put this up here, mark my day where I'm at, and then be able to move on with life, okay? So that's going to be my social media planner, and I'm probably going to order me a custom or make one of something that I can put my actual like Planning with Donna Smith Wilson on here, and then we'll call it a day. So here's going to be my social media planner, and it's a big boy. It's big. Okay, now we're going to change the discs out on my. And I got these on sale. Those are just dividers. They're really pretty, and they're dark like this. So I just thought, you know, that would be very complimentary. We're going to change out these purple discs that are plastic for these metal ones. As they say on air flights, put your seat in the upright position and put your seatbelt on and hold on. So I'm just going to start with taking off what's already here. And I just take it and pull it off, pull it forward. Then that way everything stays, helps if you knock it down the right way. There we go. Everything stays in order. And these are easier just because they're smaller, obviously. So I'm just going to take these off right quick. I just thought, you know, for those of you that's like, oh, I really don't like those discs. I think they're really ugly. Or I don't like plastic discs. And then you end up getting metal ones. And you don't have to get metal ones necessarily from any specific place. You can get generic metal discs on Amazon. You can get them at Staples. You know, Martha Stewart has some. Etsy. There's tons of Etsy shops that are small businesses. You know, buy small business, folks. Buy small business. You know, these people are trying to make a living, and, you know, I'd rather promote a small business, frankly. And so, what I'm going to do is, are we having fun yet? Pull these off, put these out of the way. And there's nothing wrong with the plastic ones. I mean, there's not a thing in the world wrong with them. So, I mean, I'm not trying to say, but if you're one of those people like me that likes to change up things every 10 minutes, you know, I'm just trying to show you how really simple it is to do it if you're new and you don't know how to do it. Now, for all you out there that's like, I know how to do that already, awesome. But there's a lot that I learned when I first started that I'm like, oh, that's really cool. You know, I didn't know you could do that. And, you know, I saw people making their own covers and their own stickers. And I just went a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And I just want to show you guys how easy it can be to make your planners yours. You know, if you want them to look like, reflect your personality, then that's how you do it. So, anywho, just go ahead and do these the same way. All right. So, that's that planner. That is my classic vertical happy planner. And I changed them out from these plastic discs here to the pretty shiny purple ones. I just think that adds a little kick of pizzazz there. And so if you had any questions about changing out your discs or where to buy discs or anything like that, just shoot me a comment. I'd be more than happy to help you out with that. So we changed out the discs in this one, and then I combined 2 planners in one, 2 big verticals in one in here for my social media. And then, of course, if you wanted to add in these little dividers, separating, let's say, my January's laying over there because I just did a video. So let's move all this, and it will go, here's my January currently page. So if you want to just pop this in here, like so, man, this one is stiff. Goodness gracious. As a divider to keep your place, there you go. So that's how you do that. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video and you would like to make comments, please comment below. I would appreciate it if you would hit that like button and subscribe for future tutorials, future how-to-dos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.